Alright, so this is gonna be a weird start to the video because it's nighttime, but we're gonna go get Alex's car.
I'm fucking
so
excited.
The first like 3 minutes of this is probably gonna be AIDS, but
I'm still excited.
oh well. Let's go. This is the best life, bro.
This is
We
the best of
had to
life.
move an E36 and then get into an E36 to go get an E36.
I'm straight.
All about it.
I'm so happy right now. So happy. I can't tell you.
Have this thing running on Sunday. Take it for a first drive, like Sunday evening.
Just run the block because the tires are garbage. Bro.
Yeah, no, but still, bro.
I know, dude. I'm so excited to have like my own E36.
Oh, the wind noise is gonna be garbage.
Drive it myself.
Hot dog.
Ooh, baby. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm like shaking with excitement. I'm so happy right now. I can't even explain it.
You know how it is, dude. We turn junk into cars here, so
Hell yeah, bro.
you know how it is.
Another step in the journey, bro.
You know how it is, bro.
After
This
this,
is just your junk. This is my junk.
Yeah.
Usually it's my junk.
yeah, usually, but now it's my junk, and I can't explain.
What I'm excited about is it's spreading from my junk to other people's junk. So like, first it
junk's
was like
infectious.
strictly my junk, and then it was Danny's junk, and now it's your junk. So this is like progress across the board.
Oh, baby. 1 E36, 2 E36, 3 E36, and 4 E36. Finally home. Finally freaking home. That was a quick stop right there, bro. Jeez, you look getting scared at the end there.
Well, I was like pressing the brakes as the whole way down because I can feel the rust coming
Yeah.
off of the rotor. So I was like, all right, let's get some kind of warmth going.
Yeah. Baby, it feels good to see this thing here, man. It's time.
All right, so we got it home last night. We flipped around this morning. Now it's time to start ripping this thing apart. So we replaced the starter. We got the intake manifold system already off. A couple times ago when we were working on it, we got it to crank, which is good. So we did memes under the dash and put the red label in. And then we checked for fuel pressure. We do have fuel pressure. So we should be good. We should be good to slam the head on. So it is going to be a good time, yes?
Very much
You go learn a lot of race car things.
All the memes.
Yes. Alright, so I put Alex on valve cover duty. So Alex is going to get cracking on that. I'm going to get cracking on the cooling system. Get this stuff all torn down. And then we'll meet in the middle.
About it. It's a wet boy.
Oh, yeah. I would crack it with or you can even crack it like this. Take it. And then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Use it as a wrench and then spin it. Very nice. Oh yeah. Out here using paper gaskets. Bunch of weirdos. It's got a super old water pump. The rest of the cooling system looks like it was rebuilt recently, but the water pump looks almost original actually. So we're gonna see what it looks like. And I'm wondering if this is the source of the head gasket. Nope, but it does have a plastic impeller, so your new one has a metal one.
Okay.
So these like to break apart, but this one didn't.
Surprise, surprise. Is it still is it the OEM one?
Yeah, it's got a BMW logo on it. Yep,
Aye.
probably original.
We am boys.
Sucks to have to replace the windshield because it's cracked, but I'm gonna buy you a tow sticker like that. We're just gonna leave it on the new windshield.
Dude, honestly, I kind of like it, bro.
That's what I was saying. Cool, dude. Yeah, when this thing is like slammed.
Yeah, I'm about
on
it.
Some nice wheels. Just a little tow sticker there. Lift that Johnny up. Let's see what she looks like.
The present you never wanted on Christmas.
I know.
Oh, it's actually really light.
Yeah, it's magnesium. Hey.
Don't look too bad.
It don't look too bad at all. Damn, boy.
How we feeling today, boys?
Alright, so first of all, the Vanos unit came off like way too easy. Like I literally unbolted it and then the unit just came off. Usually you have to take the whole Vanos tool and crank the cam gears over for it to back off. It just came off, which is not a good sign. Second of all, like everything else in this is pretty clean. And then the trigger wheel for the cam position sensor.
It's a crusty boy.
So I don't know what that means. What's going on with that? I don't know if that... I don't know. I have no idea what that means. Maybe they like left the crank position sensor off or the cam position sensor off for like a long time. I have no idea. We're gonna find out. If we fire it up and it throws a rod, get oof. Oof. Alright, we got Alex out of the car, grabbing the last exhaust manifold bolts off. So we had this car at my shop for quite a while, and one of the things I did before we brought it here is I pulled it into the shop, I drained all the fluids, so the oil, the coolant, and I loosened all the exhaust manifold studs so we wouldn't have to worry about effing with those today. So I put them on, I only put one on in each manifold, and I put them on really loose. So they're gonna be super easy to come off.
Is this exhaust about to fall on my face?
No.
Could you sound a little more confident in your words, Quinn?
I'd get the other one off with your head not underneath it.
Yeah, I got him off. I'm kind of holding it properly.
Okay, so kind of pull it down.
Okay.
Yeah, that brace is in the way.
Yeah, I should have.
Yeah. So, all right, get up here, start cracking head bolts, guy. So we're gonna try and pull with the manifolds on. It worked mint on the Cheeto, but we didn't have AC lines in the way, and Alex wants to be a luxury boy with his AC and his heater.
It gets hot down here
Shut up.
sometimes.
So we're gonna see how this works. I think we could take it off. I don't know if we're gonna put it back on with it, but we'll find out.
With the exhaust manifold?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how easy it comes off, because it's gonna be way easier to put the manifolds on the head when the head's not in the car.
Yeah.
You know, so we'll see how easy it comes out, and if it comes out like semi-easy, then we'll put them on with it. And brought my Mac breaker for you, bro. You ever cracked head bolts before?
No.
Alright, fun. There you go. Just get them cracked. So we'll go for this one next. And then this one. So you want to kind of do it in a crisscross all the way across. Look at this man working on his own car. Alex doing head work on his own damn car. I'm so proud. Yeah? Oh yeah, dude. About it. No, so as long as you can get them to skip, I mean, you could take the time and fish them out, but it doesn't really matter. So, grab it by the right there and see if you can get it to lift. That's a heavy jabroni. There we go.
Your boy's weak, right? Cut me some slack.
I hit chest yesterday, bro. Sore. 2, 1. Need to bring it there. This sucks.
We're having fun, boys. We're having fun. He's out with the manifold on.
Did not come out easy.
Nope.
Do not pull your manifolds on with your head if you have AC, because that was rough.
Yeah, that was not the fun.
Leave that for an AC off setup. Where do we have a ton of buildup on cylinder 5?
Yeah. Get out of here. What are you doing?
I don't see any obvious cracks. Oh.
Sees one?
There we are. Goes from the that coolant jacket
We got it on the camera.
to the intake. You see the crack?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it nice and clear? Yeah, yep. Okay. You can see it better on camera than you can
Yeah.
IRL. Yeah, so that was flooding coolant into that cylinder.
Gotcha.
Crack cylinder head, baby.
There it is.
That'll do it. That gives me faith, because that means, well, we inspected the block and it doesn't look cracked. So
And we got the new
we already
babies.
got a new freaking head ready to go.
There.
Yeah,
Fuck
dog.
yeah.
I'm glad. I whenever I pull like motors apart that are like blown, you like want to find the reason why. You know, 'cause
Yeah. Kind of
that
deduct
way
from
you
there.
don't slam it together. You know,
so
like
it
the
doesn't
thing.
run.
Yeah, you know.
Like a
Oh,
crack,
just put it in
crack
the
block,
head
you know.
Put a new head gasket on with a brand new cylinder head, and it's doing the same thing it was. And
What?
runs for 3 minutes and the coolant's all freaking oily again. You know, it's like what the hell.
But we got our
Really find the
fresh
problem.
babies right here.
That's what I'm saying, baby. Alright, so some of you guys will ask me how you clean the block of a cylinder, or clean a cylinder block. Previously I would use like brass brushes and like razor blades and just graze the surface to get the old gasket material off. That's a good way to do it, and that's the way I did it for a long time until I found out about these. This is not an advertisement, this is just like genuine helpful stuff. You guys have seen me use this on differentials before for cleaning the cases. So what you don't want to do when you're cleaning the block is use something harder than steel or aluminum to clean the block. So this little bit is made up of like a soft plastic. I think they're like 10 or 15 bucks. You can get them on AutoZone, like Pet Boys, places like that. You can usually, I bet you can find them on like Amazon. So it's just a nice little plastic bristle on a freaking spinny boy. We're gonna let the air compressor catch up, but I mean you can see how clean it's getting already, you know? Super nice, and it won't scratch the surface. I mean, you'll get little like marks just from different levels of cleanliness, but mint. Once the piston's clean, don't f with it anymore. You know? You have to get like all that crap down here.
Much better.
Ooh, Johnson. My goodness. Alright. So just get a different microfiber and just spray and clean everything down like religiously.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So Alex is doing that. I'm over here doing exhaust stuff. Figuring out our studs, nuts. I got the manifolds off the old head. And for those wondering how to extract studs, you put a nut on. Like that. Take an 11 wrench. Put another nut on. There you go. You can get the stud to come loose. And that way you're not taking vice grips to your studs. Ta-da! And kind of the same thing to put them on. You use the little dual nut setup. Run it down. And then you just back the nut off. Ta-da! So Alex finished up for the day. He's got to go to work. I'm gonna stay here and pull the cams off and just kind of prep everything for tomorrow when we actually put the head on. Got all the stuff for the intake side off, and the journal's got a little scoring. They're not bad though. I'm not worried about running it. So we're gonna wipe these boys down. We're gonna be reusing the lifters, trays, and the cams from this cylinder head, because these were the cams on the head that we refurbished. And that's no bueno, even though the journals look pretty nice. So I don't know, maybe a good cam for maybe a regrind or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna rip these off. We're gonna clean the cams and the trays and all that good stuff, get all this crap oil off of it, and then slam them together tomorrow. Here's the new head. We got all of our studs and nuts figured out, so we're ready for that. What a crusty, crusty boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, go climb into your pile of shit, Mustang, and feel bad. What a mess. There's like spots of oil, and the rest of it is just straight chocolate milk. Gnarly. New head is ready to go on. Cams are ready to go on. Exhaust manifolds are ready to go on. We got all the hardware for it. I had Alex clean the faces of the manifolds so they'll seal nice. We're gonna hit this thing hard first thing in the morning and hope that we can have it running by the end of the day, and I'm kind of optimistic that we should be able to get it done. We already had the intake manifold off and all that good stuff. We got a lot of the prep work done today, so there's gonna be a lot more work to do tomorrow than there was today, but we have more time to do so. We got up at 7, we started at like 7:50-ish, and it's about noon now, so we should be able to get it done if we start at the same time tomorrow, I think. This is the new whip for Alex to replace that garbage Mustang. And it's gonna be mint when it's all good. Needs a lot of work. Mainly needs tires, because these things are not freaking good. I think it might need brakes. But the main priority is just to get the thing to run. Once we get it to run, we can troubleshoot the chassis and the suspension and the tires and all that other stuff. So, hot dog. I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.